Morning breeze through my hair. Got no else to
Savoy Hotel Mactan Newtown, Cebu.
feel
A budget-friendly hotel located in Lapu-Lapu City, Cebu, within Mactan Newtown.
Feels like a holiday
The lobby.
when you're living life this way. Salt air and sunshine makes everything
We booked our hotel through Click for only PHP 3,695.90.
perfect summer day and night.
Quick room tour. We got the classic superior twin room. Honestly, as a plus-size couple, we regretted booking this room. The beds just felt way too small for both of us. Haha.
Palm trees swaying slow, water crystal clear and blue. No need to check the time when the day feels brand new. Salt air and sunshine makes everything alright. Salt air and sunshine, perfect summer day and night.
The toilet and shower area was kinda tight too. Had to close the door just to squeeze into the shower. Hashtag big girl struggles. I love that our room is on the same floor as the gym, pool, and patio. Super convenient. Savoy Hotel Mactan Newtown offers a delightful poolside lunch buffet. For just Philippine peso 588 net per person, guests can indulge in a street food BBQ lunch buffet by the pool.
Take your time. Morning breeze through my hair. Got no else to be. Feel so perfectly free. Every day feels like a holiday when you're living life this way. Salt air and sunshine makes everything alright. Salt air,
The patio.
sunshine, perfect summer day and night.
Our room came with a breakfast buffet for two. Nice. There weren't a ton of food options, but hey, we still enjoyed our breakfast.
Palm trees swaying slow, water crystal clear and blue. No need to check the time when the day feels brand new. Salt air and sunshine makes everything alright. Salt air and sunshine, perfect summer day and night.
No. Cái này là
We're heading to the beach. We need to get our beach pass from the concierge first. Savoy Hotel is right next to Belmont Hotel, and the beach is just a quick 5-minute walk away from where we stayed.
Morning breeze through my hair.
Mactan Newtown
Got
Beach.
nowhere else to be. Feels so perfectly free.
Receptio.
Every day feels like a holiday. When you're
This is where you get your
living
towels.
life this way. Salt air and sunshine makes everything alright. Salt air and sunshine, perfect summer day and night.
Infinity Pool.
Palm trees swaying slow, water crystal clear and blue. No need to check the time when the day feels brand new. Salt air and sunshine makes everything alright. Salt air and sunshine, perfect summer day and night.
Sudah. Kami lagi dari. Hah? Dito lang nga wedding eh.
They also have a venue perfect for exclusive and intimate garden weddings.
Salt air and sunshine,
Warning, cliff edge, keep out.
taking my time.
Naganan ko ng mga hammock club.
Morning breeze through my hair. Got no else to be.
Nice.
Feels so perfectly free.
Area love.
Every day feels like a
Paligon dogs.
holiday. When you're living life this way. Salt air and sunshine makes everything alright.
The beachfront.
Sunshine,
Yan,
perfect
kung ano doon na ba?
summer day and night.
If you're a Lumad Cebuano, you might remember this place as Portofino. I used to visit here back when I was in high school.
Pwede ko rin tayo mabayag food ay. Bike and brew.
Glass Pavilion.
Water crystal clear and blue. No need to check the time when the day feels brand new. Salt air and sunshine makes everything alright. Salt air and sunshine, perfect summer day and night.
Food hunt. If you ever go hungry, no worries, there are plenty of restaurants within Mactan Newtown. You'll never run out of options here.
Morning breeze through my hair.
Spanish dishes, breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Got no else.
Chicken and beer.
Feel so perfectly free. Every day feels like a holiday
Same.
when you're living life this way. Salt air and sunshine makes everything alright. Salt air and sunshine, perfect summer day and night.
Pagkaon po na Starbucks. So, nabitot ako dito.
Palm trees swaying slow, water crystal clear and blue.
Ganyan, ano naman ta? Buwa ko idea.
No need to check the time when the day feels brand new. Salt air and sunshine makes everything alright.
Sweet hotel.
Salt air and sunshine, perfect summer day and night.
Lakaw, magyapon na rin. Hanapit ako ito ng pagkaon, ubos. Robinsons na siya lang. Robinsons Easy Mart. Uy, di ka na nan. Dili ka na nan. It's a grocery. Oh God. Sakit na kayong tiil. Palit na ah.
Salt air and
Dali,
sunshine, taking my time. Morning breeze through my hair. Got no else to be. Feel so perfectly free. Every day feels like a holiday when you're living life this way. Salt air and sunshine makes everything alright. Salt air and sunshine, perfect summer day and night.
So the time is 12:58 a.m.
Naimically told, please claim your order.
So 7-Eleven is open 24/7. It's near the hotel. And then across there's Pandi Manila. And we're going there now. Something weird happened though. There's like a milk tea shop na. It's super creepy. And then when we passed by, may tumunog, sabi, order 758. Please claim your order. And no one's there. So there you go. The name is Alishan. It's just super creepy. Anyway, we're heading to Pandi Manila. And I'm wearing hotel slippers. Funny. Pandi Manila. I know. The best dumplings ever.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time.